Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add transition in Animoto. Transition play an important role in making video look smooth and professional. In Animoto, transitions help move your video from one scene to another in a clean and visually appealing way. And in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to add and change transitions in Animoto. So first, what you have to do is you need to go to the Animoto app and make sure you log into your Animoto account. Use your email and password, and once you're at the dashboard here, you need to choose the video you want to edit by clicking on it. On the bottom left, select one of the slides or Animoto video, as I'm going to select one of the slides over here, and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And over here from the camera roll, what you have to do is you need to select one of the photo or the video and select done in the top right. So select your project, and in Animoto, transitions are applied automatically between video blocks. Unlike some editors, Animoto does not allow you to add individual transition manually. Instead, transitions are controlled by the video style you select, and transitions are automatic. And to change the transition effect, you need to look on the left side of the screen and tap on the design on the bottom. Over here, you need to select one of the video style. And that is it. That's how easy it is to add transition in Animoto. By choosing the right style, you can create smooth, engaging video without extra editing work. And thanks for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to add transition in Animoto. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.